YouTube, back with another video. So look, I'm gonna get right into it. We got an unboxing today. We're doing something a little different. You feel me? These are the Nipsey Hussle, the Marathon mixtape anniversary. So I started opening the box kinda. You know, I was like, why don't I put it on wax? You feel me? So look, I'm about to get right into it, man. Right into it, dog. Let's see what we got here, man. It's just us four. And Nipsey been heavy on my mind lately. I had a dream about him the other day. I walked up to him and shook his hand and everything. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So this was kind of an impulse buy. Oh. But it's worth it. It's definitely worth it. Okay. Look at that. See, I don't usually even keep my boxes like that. But that's really kind of fire though. Got the sloss in. Ooh. Fucks with it. Hell yeah. Puma. You know what I'm saying? I want to give you boy a sponsorship. You feel me? Yeah, these. Okay, this box hard. 12/21/2010. That's when the mixtape came out. Oh yeah. The Marathon, you know what I'm saying? Oh, the aesthetic is crazy though. This fire, I like this. Got nip right there. Got nip right there. Yeah, this fire, I like this. Hell yeah. Boom. Yeah. Alright. Paper. Extra lace if I want to change to red. What y'all think? I fucks with them. I don't ever even wear like big shoes like this. You feel me? These kind of okay. Got the TMC on the back. Saying the red front. Marathon right there too. What's that? Oh, that's a 10 right there. And the bottom. The running system. And got hustle right there. Or I hustle. I think they say I hustle. I'm not sure. But yeah, I like these. I like these. I like these. Yeah. I was thinking about wearing these to work, but hell no. Not wearing these to work. So what y'all think? Comment what y'all think about the shoes. I like them. I like them. I like them. Yeah, I like these. I like these. I'm gonna rock these. I might put them on today. Sure. Go do something big as hell. Look like some boots. Yeah, I fucks with them though. You know what I'm saying? Comment if y'all like the shoes. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe to the channel. Got a bunch of different things coming. You feel me? But I'll holler at y'all next video. Yeah, I forgot to put this in the original though. You know what I'm saying? Got the Marathon on the inside. Let's give y'all a little closer glimpse of the shoe. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah, they fire though. I like these. Yeah. Marathon. They comfortable though. Feel like a glove. You know what I'm saying? Like all Puma shoes, really. Yeah. Come in if y'all like them.